In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use formulas in Microsoft Word. We'll start by getting to the right place on the ribbon. With your document open, look toward the top of the screen and click the Insert tab. This tab is where Word keeps tools for adding content to your document, and it's the quickest way to bring in a table, which is the structure Word formulas work with. Next, click Table. You'll see a grid that lets you choose the size of your table. Drag across to pick the number of columns and rows you need, then click to insert it. Don't worry if you're not sure about the exact size yet. You can always add or remove rows and columns later, and Word will adapt. The important thing is to give yourself a clean layout where your numbers can sit in clear, separate cells. Now, fill out your table. Type your labels, then enter your numbers in the cells where you want to perform calculations. Keep the data tidy and consistent. For the best results, place text like item names or categories in one column, and put only numbers in the cells you plan to calculate. Avoid mixing symbols directly with your numbers. For example, if you're working with currency, you can format the result later rather than typing a symbol in each cell. Also, try not to leave blank cells in the range you want to calculate, since blanks can affect how Word interprets a formula like a sum. With your numbers in place, click inside the table so the table-specific tabs appear. Then click the Table Layout tab on the ribbon. This tab gives you tools for working with the structure and data inside your table, including the formula command we're about to use. Finally, click Formula. First, place your cursor in the cell where you want the result to appear. When you choose Formula, a dialog opens, often suggesting something like sum above. If you're at the bottom of a numeric column, you can change it to sum left, to add numbers across a row, or pick functions like average, min, or max, depending on what you need. If you want the result formatted, choose a number format, such as 0.00 for 2 decimal places. Click OK, and Word inserts the calculated result directly into the cell. If you update the numbers later, you can refresh the result by selecting the formula and updating the field so it recalculates. You can also copy and paste that formula cell into similar positions to reuse the same logic. And that's it. Insert, add a table, fill it out, go to Table Layout, and click Formula to calculate. Practice these steps a couple of times, and you'll be comfortable building quick totals and averages right inside Word.